In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit template Notion. If you've ever wanted your Notion workspace to look polished, organized, and professional without spending hours building everything from scratch, this tutorial is perfect for you. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to edit templates in Notion in a simple and efficient way. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to add a template, but you'll also have the skills to customize it so it matches your exact needs and workflow. To get started, open Notion and look at the bottom left corner. Click on Marketplace to access Notion's official template library. Inside, you'll find a wide variety of ready-made templates, including content planners, habit trackers, calendars, and more. Take some time to browse through the options and find one that suits the type of workspace you want to create. If you're new to Notion, you can type free in the search bar to filter only the templates that are available at no cost. While it might be tempting to wait for the perfect template, it's usually better to pick one that is close to what you need since you can adjust it later. Once you find a template you like, click on it to see a preview. This shows the layout, structure, and features included in the template. If it fits your needs, click the Add button. Don't worry, this will not overwrite any of your existing pages. Instead, it will create a new page in your workspace with the template ready for customization. Now comes the fun part, making it your own. Start by filling in any key details the template requests, such as project names, daily tasks, calendar entries, or other relevant information. For more creative templates, you can add images, links, and other content. Notion templates are completely flexible, so you can edit anything. Rearrange blocks, modify headings, embed media, or remove sections that don't fit your workflow. Think of it like decorating a new apartment until everything feels just right. And that's it. You've successfully added a professional Notion template and tailored it to fit your personal or work needs, saving you time and effort. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.